Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Akitomo Amai from Bardelanji, Tokyo. Obviously, you guys are here, so I don't need to mention from Tokyo, but just for your information, unless you don't know where you are. Anyway, it's my pleasure to make a cocktail today and present it to a world with fine cognac, Remy Martin, with more than 300 years of history and heritage. Super excited, so let's get started. It all begins under the stars. Le Sagittaire, my cocktail. It's a French word for the Sagittarius, the archer, got its name inspired by the emblem of Remy Martin, centaur. Pretty sure you already know that the House of Remy Martin adopted its emblem as centaur back in 1870 when Paul Aimé Remy Martin, who he loved nature, stars, and mythology so much, and his zodiac sign was actually the Sagittarius, so he chose centaur as an emblem of Remy Martin to represent a harmony of nature, tradition, and craftsmanship. And this centaur, as the Sagittarius, has its origin in ancient Greek mythology, white centaur Chiron. Chiron is told to be the father of medicine and healing because he's grown his own herbs in its garden and used them to treat other gods who has wounded in the battles. And like Chiron, cocktail making and mixology has its roots in healing too. Spirit, sugar, water, bitters, a classic cure-all. One served as a liquid medicine, and that is how mixology started. And around the same time, Remy Martin adopted its emblem as centaur. The other story of origin happened in the field of cocktails, which is Brandy Crusta. Brandy Crusta is thought to be one of the oldest cocktails to use fresh lemon juice and a fancy garnish with sugar on the rim. So it made an impact to shape a way of classic mixology and a way to present a cocktail to a world in a new way. So, with my cocktail, Le Sagittaire, bringing you into a story of the origins and trying to reimagine a classic Brandy Crusta through a lens from France and Greece, myth and healing, and nature and craftsmanship. So, first, its base, of course, is Remy Martin VSOP. It's a symbol of humanity and craftsmanship, made from 100% Fine champagne grapes, rich in fruitiness, elegant yet strong. Lots of vanilla, layers of dried fruits, and licorice is keynote. Second is Mead, a gift of nature. It's a honey wine, thought to be the oldest form of alcohol existed in the world before wine or beer. This is French made too. And the third is Ouzo, it's Greek herbal spirit. Little essence from ancient Greece and sense of healing. It's an anise flavor liqueur, so really matches with the licorice flavor of Remy Martin VSOP has. Balancing sweet and sour with fresh lemon juice. A little respect to our classic Brandy Crusta. Sweetness coming from honey. Humans have been using honey since ancient times, both for preservation and flavor, and not to mention honey really matches with a flavor of Remy Martin. And the last but not least is Greek yogurt, rich in probiotics for tomorrow's wellness and vitality. And I would say only Remy Martin VSOP can stand with thick and creamy form of Greek yogurt because its traditional method of distillation with lees, resulting in strong and powerful, rich body of eau de vie. So, and a cocktail is all about harmony. Each note is different and unique, and these notes can make a story. Well, I got this line from recent collab with Usher and Remy Maltan. I had to input this because I love both Usher and Remy Maltan so much. So let's get all mixed together. As you might notice already, I've been only using ingredients that is available pretty much everywhere, so I am hoping this cocktail to become a new classic modern cocktail that can be enjoyed throughout the world from everywhere with everyone with Remy Maltan VSOP. So, finishing up with a little garnish of arrow-shaped pin and bowl-shaped lemon peel. That is an equipment of Chiron. And the little green is a thyme for an importance of healing in cocktails. So, here you go. Le Sagittaire, the cocktail that bridges myth and healing, nature and craftsmanship. Thank you very much.